What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 8 live cop. I am so hyped for this week. This is probably the second most hyped I've been all season. I'm super excited. We got the Mike Kelly collab. There are so many things we're going for, and I have no idea if we're gonna be able to get all of them. Hopefully no one's as hyped as I am. Honestly, I haven't really seen anybody talking about this week, so maybe I'm just in my own boat here, but I'm super excited. We haven't seen a collab by him in almost 10 years. I feel like it's been like 8 years or something like that. I feel like his stuff is like super like niche. I don't know if that's the right word, but I feel like it's like not everyone likes it, but I think this stuff is fire. Obviously we got the Vans eras, and we're gonna try to get both of those. We're actually gonna skip out on the CD player, and that is the #1 most hyped item. And whoa, I actually just realized before I get into this, I want to say, you probably have noticed I missed 2 weeks of live cops. I'm super sorry about that. So 2 weeks ago I was actually super sick and could not talk. You probably couldn't even understand me if I tried talking. I had like no voice. But then last week I couldn't make a video because I had no one to cover the store, unfortunately. So I was up there, couldn't make the video. But another reason why I was thinking about not making this video was, I don't know what's going on. I kind of did the math and tried to break it down. I think 73% of my Supreme orders are getting canceled and then refunded. No idea what's going on this season. It's on some new thing to where like I buy all this stuff, right? And you know how sometimes they ship things separately? They'll like ship a bunch of stuff, and then I'm like, all right, my stuff shipped. I'm like waiting for it. But then I realize like 2 or 3 weeks goes by, and I'm like, wow, where is it? Let me go check up on the tracking. And then it's just still sitting there on the label created. I've never seen Supreme do that before until this season. And now it seems once it gets to that point, I just been going onto the customer service, and then I'll be like, where's my thing? It's been stuck on label created for 2 or 3 weeks, and they've just been refunding me. So I don't know what's going on in the shipping department, if it's just me with bad luck. Like so many things I bought, I actually didn't even get. Like we took an L on the mini TV, on the little fingerboard thing, the Charles Barkley shoes, just about everything I bought in the last 7 weeks. I almost didn't get any of it, so that's a little unfortunate. But that's enough talking about that. Let's get back into what's dropping. Hopefully though, if I do get these Vans, they actually ship. Yeah, so like I said, we're gonna skip out on the CD player, but we do want both of the Vans. I also want the green world famous S logo hat, probably just the green one. So that's not a mandatory like first cart thing. We might try to go back for that second cart. I'm actually gonna skip out on the half cabs, even though I literally just told Brandon before I even knew this was dropping that I wanted to get a pair of half cabs, but I'm actually going to skip out on these. And then I do want both of the skateboards as well, so that's like 4 or 5 things we're going for. I think that is 2 skateboards, right? Or is that front and back? I don't know. Regardless, we're going to try to get those. And then lastly, we got the City Patches hat. I'm going to try to get that in all of the colors, and I think that is just about everything. It kind of feels like I'm rushing this. I am really sorry. We literally got like a minute left until the drop. So we pretty much have to get right into this live cop. But if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram, and make sure you check out my brand Sudden. You can also check out my store, The Storm Factory. All the information will be on the screen and in the description down below. So we are running out of time, so let's get right into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. We got less than a minute left until the drop. I'm kind of nervous because like I said, even if we do get the W, it's no guarantee I'm actually going to get this stuff, because I just have not been getting a single item this year. Well, that's actually a lie. I've been getting a few items, but not like the bangers that I actually want. So since I actually want these Vans, watch me hit them, but then actually not get them. I gotta stop talking negative though. We're still gonna try to get the W on all 4 of these things. So I think that's actually gonna be the plan. I'm gonna try, this might be crazy, I'm gonna try to get both Vans and both skateboards in the exact same cart. Then if it's a W or an L, regardless, we're gonna go back and then try to get those hats, because I don't really think the hats are gonna sell out like that. I could be wrong, but I don't think they're gonna sell out that fast, so I should have time. I guess it really just depends how long we are in the queue. We have 4 seconds left until the drop. Let's go. Shoes. Go. Okay, we're going right to the shoes. Got that in the cart. Okay, we got those. Now we gotta see. I think that the skateboards though are going to be different. Yeah, they are different. Wow, why am I so nervous, guys? We got everything into the cart. Obviously, we just got to get through, though. I'm, like, so nervous. I feel like I haven't seen this one yet. Okay, how's the queue gonna look? No queue? Nobody wants these but me? That's fine. Can we get it? Can we get it? Okay. Oh, no. Oh my, we got it. We got to go back and get those hats, because I do kind of feel like the brim one, it might actually sell out. So I'm still a little nervous. I feel like I don't need to be as nervous as I was. So this is the hat I'm talking about. I kind of want to get this in a lot of colors. Like, I'm really feeling this. I might even keep one of these for myself, because this should get us, yeah, we're looking good. This is the one I'm talking about. The purple is actually kind of, is this wool? This definitely looks like it's wool. It is. Now I'm not entirely sure I want this. And then I think that is everything. I'm just gonna add this. I'm going crazy right now. I'm going back. Well, I usually don't have to do this on the second thing. I actually had no idea that hat was wool. But that's all right. We're still gonna go for it. No Q again. Nobody wants the Vans but me. But that is all right, like I said. Second most hype too. I would have thought at least some of the sizes were gonna sell. And we got it, just like that. Wow, a super easy week. I'm surprised nobody wanted any of that stuff. It looks like I was in my own boat here. That's all right though, because I really wanted those items. I'm not even tripping about it. So I guess though, before we end the screen, wow, that was so quick. It's been literally 2 minutes and we got 2 cards and got every single thing that I wanted. So since I didn't have much time to talk about it at the beginning, let's just look over real quick what all dropped. So I actually was feeling this. Still in stock. Wait, this is a thermal? Dang, that makes it a lot cooler. I had no idea it was a thermal. Still in stock, but I really liked that item. Just didn't want to spend the 158 on that. And then this was the other item I wanted to talk about. I really liked this too. I feel like not everyone's gonna mess with this, but I thought this was pretty cool. I prefer it in the black colorway, still a full size run, but $200 unfortunately, so we did pass. Those were the other 2 items I wanted to talk about. These double knees were cool. They pretty much do these every single season. So wait, 318, what am I missing here? Oh, they're Japanese wash cotton canvas. All right, that's why they're a little more expensive than usual, I was about to say. And then these I thought were cool. See, this is one of the items too, like, what am I trying to say here? You know how this print dropped on the pants and was my #1 most wanted clothing item this season? I actually got those for retail, but then unfortunately that order did get canceled and refunded. So I didn't actually get them. I guess I could live out my dreams and wow, never mind. People are well, I'm a 32, but I guess people are really feeling these. I could live out my dreams and just get them in short form. Camo one's actually kind of tough too. Oh, the camo is sold out. Wow. All right, never mind then. I guess I could still get the 32 in the red, but yeah, so unfortunately I did not get those. And again, that was my most wanted clothing item and we took the L on that, even though we did actually get them. Oh wow, the Mike Kelly hat sold out. Maybe I should have went for that. Dang, kind of wild. Maybe I should have, maybe I missed out on going for that. Nobody was messing with these, so I was completely wrong about that. I did not think the wools. And then, do I even want to check in on the Vans, guys? Was this a terrible decision? All right, not that terrible. And then let's see these. All right, a little terrible. At least that 11 though, I did go back, is gone, so that's fine. Maybe I should have got the 11 in the other one. What was I thinking? That kind of sucks, but all right, at least the sizes. Wait, I'm about to lie. Okay, so the 9.5 is still there, but at least the other 2 of the 3 sizes I got are gone, so that is cool. Skateboards are still here, and you know, that is all right. But I guess we could end the screen recording right here. There's not really much more to talk about. I actually just lastly want to see, oh, I'm tripping, it's right there. Lastly though, I do want to see, did this sell out? Not even a single size, well, the 2XL. So I guess it wasn't that big of a deal. I didn't go for that. So let me just end the screen recording here. And that is going to do it for my Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 8 live cop. I'm super hyped. We literally got every single item that I wanted. I think, yeah, we got everything. And we even got an extra van, so that was pretty cool. I'm just a little bit upset about those wool hats. Maybe I should not have gotten those, but regardless, I'm super hyped. We got everything. Now we just have to hope that it actually gets to me, because like I said, every time I actually get something, they just keep canceling and refunding. Let's hope that these Vans actually make it to me. And if I do get them, I actually do want to make a video about these. So hopefully these come in pretty quickly. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys are feeling this collab. Like I said at the beginning, I didn't really see many people talking about this collab, so maybe I was like one of the only few people that actually liked it. And I felt like the Vans sat a little bit longer than I would have guessed. Again, I might have been the only person that was messing with the collab, but let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. And just let me know in the comments if you guys were feeling the collab. I'm still a little sick, but since I am getting over it, hopefully we're about to be back on our streak of doing the Supreme video. So I'll see you guys next week. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. And lastly, if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. And you can check out my store, The Storm Factory. All the information will be on the screen and the description down below if you want to check any of that out. I appreciate all your guys' support. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.